This is the One for All Suburbs Line Pro with the 50-mile range, style number 14542, which was around $35 at Walmart. I picked this up for my home this month after I decided it's time to cut the cord on cable television. What you'll want to do is go to www.channelchecker.com and put in your zip code. This is going to tell you which channels you can get from your home. It's going to tell you the direction your signal will be coming in and what antenna that they sell that is best for your location. Okay, so let's get started. After unboxing it, I plugged in the micro USB power adapter to the amplifier. Then I connected the power to the outlet and checked that the red light was illuminated. Next, I connect the antenna to the amplifier. And then I connect the short cable on the amplifier box to the antenna connector on the back of my TV. Now you can decide where you would like to mount your antenna, or if you want to mount it at all. Since my signals come from behind where the TV is located, I opted to place the antenna on the back. So I cleaned it off really good with the alcohol and a cotton ball, and then I used the provided 3M adhesives for placement. Now I need to do a channel search for my television. I have an Insignia and was able to do this by going to the menu, then choosing channels, and then choosing an automatic channel search. You'll need to check your specific brand to determine how to do this on yours. It may be necessary to go ahead and disconnect cable or satellite before doing this. It just depends on your television. I live in a small town, and in total here, I can pick up about 5 channels. My parents live out in the country, and they can pick up 3 times as many channels as I can. So your results will probably be much better than mine. What I love about this is that these are digital channels. They're every bit as crisp and clear as the digital cable I just dropped. For me, this is phase 1 of cutting the cord of cable. I'm going to give some more information as I add more to my television. But please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. It takes a long time to get a video made and edited and narrated, and it helps me more than you know. I'll have more to this transition very soon. Thanks for watching.